Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Viola, and in this video we are making Nigerian commercial buns. So guys, first of all I have to sieve my flour. Moreover, this is half pint of flour. I got it for 1,900. So I'm sieving this flour because sometimes you can find weevil or sand in your flour, so it is best to sieve your flour so that you don't have your customers eating sand in your buns. So I went ahead to add my baking powder. I got it for 100 naira, but I used half of it. And this is yeast. I also use yeast so that it will help the buns to add some weight. I got the yeast for 100 naira, and I'm also using half of it. So this is nutmeg. I got the nutmeg for 100 naira, so I'll be putting all of them. I love using nutmeg for my buns because it gives it a very rich and nice taste. Okay, if you don't want to use any other flavor, or if you don't have money for other flavors, you can just use nutmeg. Okay, so after putting the nutmeg, I went ahead to add my salt. This is a little salt. I don't know why this camera is making it look white with the rubber. So I also added sugar, about a cup of sugar. I got a cup of sugar, but I didn't put all of them. It is remaining small. I don't have a measuring scale. I don't have a scale, so I do everything as the spirit leads, but don't overdo, please. I've already added sugar. I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't. But I've already added sugar at this point. So this is the butter I'll be using. I got each one for 100 naira, so the two of them is 200 naira, and I'll be using the two of them to make these buns. After adding the butter, I went ahead to use my hands to mix it very well so that it mixes with the flour before adding water. Make sure you mix your butter very well. Make sure you mix it thoroughly before putting in your water. And guys, in buns making, do not use too much baking powder. If you use too much baking powder, your buns is going to be very strong at the back. Like the back of your buns is going to be very dry and strong, and the inside may not get done. That's what baking powder does. It absorbs the moisture, and also although it makes the buns to add weight, but it also absorbs the moisture, making your buns to be very dry. So now I've added water. Add your water little by little so that you don't over pour water into the mixture. So I've added a little bit of water. I mix the water with the flour, then before going in to add another water, as you can see. So after adding the water, just go ahead and mix your buns, mix your dough very well. You can use a turning stick or your hands to mix them. You can use your two hands because that is what I actually did. I dropped because I was recording with my with my other hand at this point, so I had to drop my phone and mix it thoroughly with my two hands. So after mixing it, this is what it looks like. It is not watery, it is not too strong, it is not too soft. This is okay for buns. This dough is okay for buns making. If you make it to be too watery, combined with the yeast that you put into it, is going to look like puff puff. So due to the yeast that you put into your buns, do not make your buns mixture to be very light. Okay, so guys, I'll be letting it to rest for some time before molding it. So here I am molding my flour. I left a little amount of flour that I'll be using to mold it so that it doesn't gum on my hands. As you can see, I just take a little of this flour, sprinkle it on my hand before molding. At the end of this video, I'll calculate the expenses and also the amount of buns I'm able to get, so that we'll know how much gain that we'll be getting in one pint of flour. So after molding all of them, this is what they are looking like. This is the remaining one. So this is the oil I'll be using. I allow the oil to get hot before putting my buns. At this point, I was done frying. I couldn't film the frying process because I was the only one doing everything, but my baby sister later helped. That was when I was able to get this video of the one on the fire, but I'm already done frying the buns, and this is what they are looking like. They are really soft, very soft and nice, and this is the inside of the buns. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Bye.